How to log into Santander Bank online. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can log into your Santander Bank online on your mobile phone. Let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser, or if you have the application, just directly open up the Santander app that you can download from both Google Play Store and App Store. Then click on the first link, santanderbank.com. And once you open it up, you'll be landed on their homepage. So you're going to have to find the login option that looks something like this, where you have an option to add user ID and password. You can get there by tapping on the login button at the top right. If you don't see it here, tap on the three lines here and you can find other resources as well, and then simply tap on login. Once you do that, this pop-up will appear on your screen where you have an option to add user ID, password, and then simply tap on login. First thing you do is enter your user ID, then head over to password and enter the password. Once you've entered your password, make sure that it is correct, and then simply tap on login. And if you are new and don't have an account, tap on this first link where it says first time user, enroll now. And if you have somehow forgotten your user ID, tap on this where it says forgot user ID. And to recover your password, tap on forgot password. So that's pretty much it, guys. Now just tap on login, and if your login credentials are correct, you should be logged into your account. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.